Came in early today to bring you a special one. I had to be here when the lighting conditions were just right because there's some special things. Kobe Brown's Everest edition, y'all, a great customer. He had his vehicle drop shipped to us straight from his dealership, so it would allow us to do all these great customizations. Check this out. Bad boy 2022 F350 Platinum single wheel. So many goodies on this one, a special truck. What do we have here? Switchbacks in the side turn signals. We got his special, unique black TUX logo. Ooh, man, we got a wicked 4-inch lift, 4-link system, 37s on 22s, custom grill up front, lots of paint work. The black TUX started on Kobe's original truck, that first previous generation Super Duty, and just took it totally next level with the floating black TUX caps. Man, got the switchbacks, let me show you. Boom, so money. Out back, the applique, all black, and the black TUX logo illuminated too. It's truly special, y'all. There's a night shot that I had to get for you. Now let's fast forward to daytime for a full review. Brought the truck from our reserved area over here in front of the dealership, so when he gets here tomorrow, he's gonna be stunned just like I am every time I see this truck, y'all. F350 Platinum single wheel long bed. Just hearing that right off the rip right there, gotta lift the long bed for it to look correct at all, and this one right here is super legit. If you notice, y'all, yesterday when I filmed the night shot, I had a gray beard. Did a little color on my beard, y'all. What do you think about it? Trying to make me look younger, you know? I'm 37, feel like I'm about 25, so trying to do things custom to make Real Deal look like I feel, y'all. Anyway, a beautiful truck right here with a 4-inch wicked custom lift. You got a 4-link up front in gloss black, looking amazing. You see that logo right there. If you anything in the automotive industry, you know about the Wicked Customs. There's so many cool, unique customizations and lift kits for legit custom trucks, y'all, like we have here. This is to me a Everest edition, but it is Kobe from Memphis's black TUX edition. Love his logo, and as you saw at the night shot, it lights up and illuminates. A great custom grill up front. It just makes it stand out, and instantly you see the truck coming down the road, bold. This truck makes a statement. A trimmed up valence down below, painted to match. Again, a legit customization and way to take it next level. Blacked out the headlights completely, took all the chrome away. Speaking of that, check out some of the before shots of this truck once we first acquired it. And Kobe, you know, is from Memphis, Tennessee, found us after he had ordered this truck. We told him about drop shipping, which a lot of our customers are doing now. If you're in California, in a state far off, order the truck if you have a good relationship with your local dealership and drop ship it to us. We'll do that free of charge, and we can do our magic to it and find a way to either get you here or get the truck to you. That's what it's all about, y'all. Conveniencing the customer and taking care of the customer regardless of the situation. And Kobe, thanks so much, sir. Really do appreciate you, big dog. 315 5024 Nitto Ridge Grapper, the hybrid tire. You've heard me talk about the Ridge Grapper. Not gonna go any more into that, but essentially 36.5 by almost 13 wide. So a good balance. A true 37, 12.5, 20 is about the same overall height, but you know, 12.5 wide. So we're a little bit wider, and essentially the same size as a true 37 as far as the height goes. TIS wheels, I love a big TIS wheel guy. The black TUX floaters, y'all. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see some rolling shot of this from Kobe back home. Amazing, love that. Side badges you saw illuminates as well. Black TUX, just a true unique custom. You're gonna see us push the envelope. We do custom side badges, but we're gonna get more into this grill. Nice bullet antenna there. Blacked out his side mirrors completely, removing all that texture and doing the gate black. Makes a true difference. Switchback turn signals going from amber to white. Truly is a game changer as well. He kept the chrome, and I love the balance. It flows nicely, just keeps a nice balance between the illuminated components throughout. Got Fox shocks in the rear, different leaf pack, remove the FX4 sticker on the side, a nice blackout of the tails, and custom Ford emblem out back. Love that hitch he's got going on. The black TUX, y'all. There's something special about it. Now, I guess I'm not really prepared because I'm sitting here thinking, man, I should have wore black TUX today and done that. Dadgummit, y'all. Not prepared. I should have done that.
But I'm gonna come see Colby. I haven't gotten to meet him yet. I'm gonna come see him and we'll get it on, do something special down the road for sure. Black got the door handles as well. And then on the inside, what makes it even more unique and special is the Marsala interior. Just in Michael Smith's F350 had the Marsala too. And Real Deal is a big Marsala guy. I love it, 12-inch touchscreen, but just being different than the black on black is a nice refresh, y'all. And this color screams premiumness and elegance with that nice brushed aluminum there on the side throughout the entire vehicle. So F350 Platinum long bed, 4-inch lifted, Everest edition, diamond. This is the definition right here. Another great customer from out of state, making the dream come true from him. And I gotta come hang with Colby in Tennessee. It's September 2022 and we're still rocking and rolling on the daily, y'all. This one's been special to me. Trust in sending a vehicle to us from a different dealership, allowing us to do our thing with it, means everything. This is his second rendition of a black TUX truck, so to be a part of it is really something special I'll never forget. Again, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button and hit the like button if you're feeling generous, because you hit the like button, algorithm says that you like it and they're gonna push it to other great people just like you to make sure you see what we got going on. Again, thanks so much. Peace.